Hello and welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a sort of first impressions video on the Gama diffuser. If you can hear little squeaks in the background, my newborn baby's got hiccups, so don't despair, he is okay. So this was the diffuser that I was using that came with my Remington hairdryer, and you can just see it's really small. And the only diffusion it's got is in here. There's none in the little nozzles, and it just doesn't pick up much hair. So I don't really diffuse my hair for a couple of reasons. I don't like using heat on my hair. I just don't. I never have. And reason two is it just takes so long and it just leaves more frizz because I don't do it properly, so I give up. But I want to have a go actually diffusing my hair, especially with the colder weather coming. So I've seen good reviews about this. Now just a bit of a comparison, they're a little bit different. So this one, it's got a nice big bowl with lots of holes all the way through, and no, there's not holes in the nozzles, but you can just see how deep it is. So if you get your hair in there, it's going to blow the air kind of sideways all the way around, almost 360. It's got kind of a silicone insert, so it should fit most hair dryers. Just tried it on mine and it does fit pretty well. So you can see that I can fit pretty much the whole side of my hair in there, so it's going to make drying a lot easier and a lot less frizz because I'm not going to be moving it about so much. So I'm going to wash my hair and then I'm going to come back and see how I get on with it and show you exactly how I diffuse it and my impressions at the end. So I'll see you in a second. So I'm sort of halfway through, it's almost dry already, and I've been blow drying for probably about 10 minutes. I reckon my hair will be done in another 10. But what I like is that you don't actually have to touch your hair once it gets past the kind of sopping wet stage. You can do it and not touch your hair because obviously your fingers will cause more frizz. So I'm back and it's dry, and to fully dry it took about 20 minutes of diffusing, which I normally give up after about 5-10 minutes. This one, so it doesn't feel like it's doing much, and the prongs really dig into my head, and that's one thing I noticed. This was just so comfortable. It's quite soft on there. Sometimes on top you'd feel the prongs, but it's a lot more comfortable. And with this one, again, even on the low heat setting, I can really feel the heat on my scalp, and this one I don't. I think because the bowl and the air goes round the hair rather than directly onto your scalp, where this one is just pushing up. So I've actually got barely any frizz as well. The only frizz I get is from poor technique, to be fair, because I don't diffuse a lot. So this is the results before I scrunch. So I'm really pleased with the results. I've got lots of curl in my hair, which I don't normally get because I air dry, so it's always going to hang a little bit more. I've noticed I've got a lot more root lift than I normally have as well. So I am really happy with this. It didn't slip off the hairdryer. You can see it takes quite a tug to get it off because of the silicone inside. And yeah, I think my new routine won't be diffusing all the time because I just don't do that. But I think when my hair's like sopping wet, I'm going to diffuse like 5 minutes and then air dry for probably only take half an hour, and then diffuse for another 5 minutes just to give my hair not too much heat. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this, and I think it cost me £10–11 on Amazon. I'll put the price below, but definitely I do think it will fit most hair dryers, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.